If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com.
You can view, add, delete, or edit your company's payment methods in QuickBooks Online in the Payment Methods list. To view the Payment Methods list in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the All Lists link under the Lists heading in the menu that appears to open the Lists page. Click the Payment Methods link in the Lists page to open the Payment Methods list page. This list contains all the payment methods your company accepts. To create a new payment method, click the New button in the upper right corner of the Payment Methods page. In the New Payment Method window that opens, type a name for the payment method into the Name field. If the payment method is a credit card, check the This is a credit card checkbox. To save it when finished, click the Save button. To run a payment method's quick report on a payment method in the Payment Methods list, click the Run Report link under the Action column in the desired payment methods row. To edit an existing payment method, click the drop-down under the Action column for the Payment Methods row, and then click the Edit link to open the Edit Payment Information window. Then change any payment method information and click the Save button to save the changes. If you edit a payment method, it changes in every transaction in which you used it. You also cannot edit the cash payment method. To inactivate a payment method, click the drop-down under the Action column for the Payment Methods row, and then click the Make Inactive link. However, before you inactivate a payment method, note that you cannot reverse your decision. Inactivating a payment method is technically more like permanently deleting the payment method, even though you can still see it as an inactive item in this list if desired. If you wish to continue and deactivate the payment method, then click Yes in the confirmation window that appears to confirm your choice. If you inactivate a payment method, any form in which you used it shows Name Deleted, where name is the name of the inactivated payment method. For example, if you deleted a Discover card payment method, the form reads Discover (deleted). If you want to reactivate a deleted payment method, you must instead recreate the payment method.
Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.